Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can turn your passion for videography into a lucrative income stream, making money by creating and selling stock footage. Whether you're a professional videographer or just getting started, there are opportunities for everyone. Stick around as we explore the steps to kickstart your journey into the world of stock footage. Understanding stock footage. So, what exactly is stock footage? Stock footage refers to pre-recorded video clips that are made available for purchase and use by content creators, filmmakers, and businesses for various projects. These clips can range from landscapes to people and everything in between. Equipment and preparation. To get started in the stock footage industry, you'll need some essential equipment. You don't need top-of-the-line gear, but quality matters. Invest in a good camera, tripod, and audio equipment to capture high-quality content. Additionally, remember to shoot in the highest resolution possible. Finding marketable subjects. Not all footage is created equal in the stock industry. To maximize your earnings, you should focus on subjects that are in high demand. These may include nature scenes, urban landscapes, lifestyle shots, and current events. Do some research on stock agencies to understand what's trending. Shooting and composition tips. When you're out shooting, keep in mind the composition and style of your footage. Steady shots, good lighting, and a variety of angles will make your footage more attractive to potential buyers. Think about how your footage can be used in different creative projects. Model and property releases. If your footage includes people or private property, you'll need signed model and property releases. This is crucial to ensure your content can be used commercially without any legal issues. Editing and post-production. After you've captured your footage, it's time to edit and enhance it. Clean up your clips, color correct, and remove any unwanted elements. Remember that your footage should be versatile, allowing buyers to easily adapt it to their projects. Uploading to stock agencies. Now comes the exciting part. Uploading your footage to stock agencies. There are numerous platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock, where you can create accounts and start selling. Each platform has its submission guidelines and quality standards, so make sure to read them thoroughly. Keywords and descriptions. When you upload your footage, don't forget to add descriptive titles, tags, and keywords. This helps potential buyers find your content when they search the platforms for specific themes or subjects. Promoting your portfolio. To boost your sales, promote your portfolio. Share your stock footage on social media, your website, or within relevant communities of content creators. Engage with potential buyers and respond to their inquiries promptly. Be patient and persistent. Lastly, stock footage is a long-term game. It may take time to see substantial income, but with consistent effort and a growing portfolio, your earnings will increase over time. There you have it. Making money with stock footage is not only a fantastic way to monetize your videography skills, but also a creative outlet. Start small, build your portfolio, and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Remember, your passion for videography can be your ticket to financial freedom. Thanks for tuning in, and leave your thoughts on stock footage creation in the comments below.